Hey, so today on our project, we're just doing a little bit of mudding up, some brick repointing, and I wanted to show, I couldn't film it, but basically with the new stucco, the new S-type mortar they have at Lowe's, you have to add a little bit of Portland, I feel like just a little pinch, because it sucks. It's too much sand. They don't get a consistent mix. Each bag's different, I feel like. But basically, you just want to grind out all the mortar joints that you plan on repointing. If there's anything like that corner there, I showed that chisel, you just chisel it out. And then you wet it, and you just tuck that mortar in there as tight as you can get it, and then you strike it off. So basically, you just want to push it in with a tuck tool like that. I always take a trowel, put some mud on it, put some mortar on it, and then push it in with that trowel. Sometimes it's easier just to do it like this, though. Like on small stuff where you're just trying to be quick, and there's a lot of verticals, it's easier just to take a margin trowel and slap it in there. And then we're also doing some paver resand and seal. So while I was doing that, Bill was working on these joints here. We already blew them out of the pressure washer. You can see the hook tool now. Every little bit we missed, we'll get with that hook tool or else a margin trowel. It's better to use a margin trowel, I feel like, but hook tools come in use. So do needle nose pliers for little weeds you forget. And then you just broom it in there, broom that sand in. Make sure it's nice and dry when you broom the sand in, though. You can see here's the repoint job we did. Nothing to that. Here's the sealing. After we put the sand in, we sealed half and half of it was unsealed, and you can just see what a color difference it makes. It's so beautiful. Like, it makes an absolute day and night difference. You'll always have a happy customer using Cat 5 and keeping nice